And the top story remains that from Punjab, it's a political crisis refusing to die down. So now, after a defiant Captain Amrinder Singh, the Gandhis appear to have hit back. They have called Captain Amrinder Singh a stubborn person who ran his party and the government from a farmhouse. All of this, though via an emissary, Harish Rawat. But does this mean that even Gandhis will not now really go across to Captain Amrinder Singh? And will this at all help resolve the crisis? Take a look at this report. From the moment he made it clear it was his intention to take the fight to his rivals,
I am not going to remain in the Congress.
Captain Amrinder Singh has been on a roll, firing one missile after another aimed at the Gandhis.
कई प्रधान रहे हैं, ये जो हाल जो सिद्धू ने बनाया एक पहले कभी नहीं हुआ.
But after a series of pointed attacks, the Congress party has said enough is enough. The Gandhis, speaking through their emissary Harish Rawat, have unleashed their anger. In a stinging attack, the Congress party has said the captain was admitted in the Congress despite a crushing defeat he suffered from Patiala constituency in 1998. They say Amrinder failed to keep his election promises and was controlling the government and the party from his farmhouse. Then there is more. The Gandhis have described Captain Amrinder Singh as a stubborn individual who never paid heed to anyone's advice. They also cite complaints by several MLAs saying Captain cannot win Punjab elections.
कैप्टन साहब की भी कुछ वही बेहतर जानते होंगे कि आखिर कुछ तो होंगी मजबूरियां, कोई यूं ही बेवफा नहीं होता. अब वो मजबूरियां क्या हैं ये कैप्टन साहब जानते होंगे या पुराने लोग जानते होंगे.
Captain Amrinder Singh rejected the Congress's charge, terming it outrageous. Amrinder has proclaimed that Congress is on a back foot now, and only pressure he had for the past month was his loyalty to the Congress party. All of this comes at a time when there is suspense about Captain's next move. India Today has learned that Amrinder Singh is likely to float his own party. He had earlier declared he will not let Navjot Singh Sidhu win at any cost.
Sidhu is not the right man for Punjab, and अगर वो लड़ेगा, जहाँ से भी लड़ेगा, मैं उसको नहीं जीतने दूँगा.
After Amrinder Singh decided to part ways with the Congress party, ending a 4-decade-long association, the Gandhis have now hit back. The first family of the Congress are under tremendous pressure, with many from the old guard questioning the decision-making process. The stinging statement on Amrinder is also a message to them. With Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh, Kamaljeet Sandhu in Patiala and Anand Patel in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today. And amid all of this, remember, there have been different reactions coming in from all across, from the senior netas to the younger ones as well. One veteran Congress leader had been silent for now. He's now joining me. Veteran Congress leader Saifuddin Soz is joining me from Srinagar today. And my first question to you, sir, is you must be watching all that is happening. It is literally the Congress crisis exploding. Are you upset, Soz Saab, or what is really happening in the Congress party?
You see, this is my headquarters and I have to be here. And I feel upset for many things. And this event has also created disquiet in my heart and mind. Let us see how things settle down.
But here really at this point is Captain Amrinder Singh, who's facing all the brickbats. You must have known him for a long time. Do you have any piece of advice for Captain Amrinder Singh, the former CM of Punjab?
So, is it a question to me?
Yes, sir.
Amrinder Singh is a time-tested politician. Amrinder Singh is a time-tested politician of Punjab, a senior man, senior leader in the Congress, and he did very well as Chief Minister. There are shortcomings in the system, these are there, but on the whole, he provided leadership to Punjab nicely, and I feel disheartened on what I see these days happening in Punjab.
So, why didn't you then reach out to him? Have you made any contact yet with Amrinder Singh? Have you at least tried to speak to him, give him any advice?
No, yesterday, the day before yesterday, I sent a mail.
Okay.
And on my part, I wished him well, and I said that he should not take any hasty decision about going to BJP. And my advice to him was that he should settle. He is a settled leader in Congress party. These things happen sometimes, and he must not do anything in hurry.
But why do you think he should not join the Bharatiya Janata Party, Captain? If the captain is getting that opportunity, why do you think he should not join the BJP?
No, see, Amrinder Singh has a lot of training as a secular leader, and he has a vision on things, and I know his ideology. He will not shape well in BJP. That is something, a feeling with me. How he does things, I don't know. He is master of the situation in his mind.
Some of your contemporaries, Sosab, have got together and have condemned the hooliganism right outside Kapil Sibbal's residence only for asking perhaps some reform on the leadership at least that is facing crisis. Do you also have a word to say about what happened at Kapil Sibbal's residence and perhaps something for the leadership of the Congress party?
I have no details what happened at this house, but you see, signing a document by 23 or 24, it will not, you see, cut much ice. It is rather an affront to the leadership. I don't know what Sonia ji must be thinking, but she is available for a discussion. It is better to go to her, discuss, and get her comment, but forming a group and then pressurizing is not good. And you know, Sonia Gandhi is a popular leader in Congress, and he has contributed quite a lot for the success of Congress party, and it will not serve any purpose for these leaders to just create a difficulty in the relationship. Let them go and discuss with Sonia Gandhi. I think things will smoothen.
But the onus needs to be on Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi because they gave that stamp of approval to Navjot Singh Sidhu. What do you think needs to be done within the Congress party so that at least it comes back on track? We are facing elections in just next few months, and Congress for now is still bracing its own crisis within.
But I have a feeling that Amrinder Singh is a time-tested politician of Punjab. He has done very well. And if somebody destabilizes, they should, you see, Congress, you see, senior leaders should take notice of what was happening in Punjab.
Yes.
Now, all of a sudden, Mr. Sidhu appeared on the scene, and see, Amrinder made a comment that he is not stable, Mr. Sidhu. He wants to do things, you see, in haste. And politics requires people, if they want to play the game according to its principles, they have to wait and watch, and they have to go a little slow. They can't take decisions hastily. Politics is not that way done better.
All right, so my final question then to you would be, how do you see the Congress party from here on? Do you think the party even has a future when its most important faces are busy fighting among themselves rather than take on the Bharatiya Janata Party?
No, there are ups and downs in the party. and it happens to every party. And despite so many shortcomings, Congress is a force to be reckoned with. Now one feels very sad why things are not happening smoothly. I am far away from Delhi, but I wish the party well. Occasionally I feel tempted to send a mail to Sonia ji. He gives calm reflection to things, and she doesn't make hurried comments. I think leaders should go assemble before her and put their point across to her, and she will respond positively. But I have my own grounds why Mr. Sidhu, who may be well-intentioned man,
Okay.
and may be sincere in his say what he say, but only that is not enough. He must appear in public eye to be a serious politician. All of a sudden he wants things around him to move one way or the other. That doesn't happen in politics.
All right, and I hope, Saifuddin Soz, that at least your advice is being heard today by the Gandhi leadership, by Captain and by Sidhu as well. Thank you so much for speaking to me and giving me your time from Kashmir. Take care of yourself. Saifuddin Soz, veteran Congress leader, a piece of advice there for Sidhu, caution for Captain, and importantly stating why can't we have a discussion if the leadership is available.